Hello everyone, today we are going to listen about one great noble person in the world and he is known as Christopher. Let's listen about Christopher. There have been many good and godly person in the world. Here we will read the story of one such noble person. He was called Ophero. He was a man of giant size and strength. He was kind and good to all. He was always helping others in one way or the other. One day, Ophir was sitting on the bank of a river. It was a wide and deep river. Ophir saw an old man standing on the bank. The old man was looking over the river. He looked very sad. Ophir went to him and said, "Can I help you, sir?" The man looked at Ophir and said, "I want to go across the river, but the water is very deep. The current is very strong and I don't know how to swim." "Oh, is that all?" said Ophir very kindly. "I will take you across the river. I am tall and strong and the water is not too deep for me. I can walk through it easily. Come and sit on my shoulders." Ophir bent down on his knees and the old man climbed on the Ophir's big and broad shoulders. Then Ophir stepped into the water. "Don't be afraid," said Ophir very kindly. "Hold on to my head and soon we will be on the other side." With firm steps, Ophir walked across the river. Soon they reached the other bank. Ophir set the old man safely on the ground. "May God bless you," said the old man and went to his way. Now Ophir turned and padded back to the other bank. He looked at the river and said to himself, "I'll build a hut here on the river bank and live in it. Thus I can help people who want to cross the river, but don't know how to swim. I'm tall and strong and can carry them on my shoulders. Thus I help them cross the river." The hut was soon ready and Ophir started living in it. Every day he carried men, women and children across the river. One night there was a terrible storm. Rough winds began to blow and the sky grew dark. The cloud thundered and the lightning flashed. Suddenly Ophir heard a voice. "Ophiro, Ophiro, please take me across the river." Ophir looked out of his hut. He saw a little boy shivering in the cold. Ophir came out of his hut and bent down to the little boy. "Oh, little one," he said very softly, "come into the hut. The weather is so rough. I shall take you across the river in the morning." A sad look came on the child's face. Ophir saw tears in his eyes. "Ophir," said the child, "please take me across the river. I can't wait. I have to go right now." Ophir gathered the child lovingly in his arms. "All right," he said, "you will go right now. Don't be afraid of the storm." Ophir put the child on his shoulders and waded through the angry river. The icy waves lashed on his body and the winds roared, but he held the child tightly and walked on. At last, they reached the other side. Ophir set the child down very gently. "Little one," he said, "shall I come with you? It is too dark for you to go alone." But the child said nothing. He only smiled at Ophir and walked away. Ophir saw a soft circle of light round the child's head. Now he understood everything. He fell on his knees and said, "Oh God, it was child Christ whom I carried on my shoulders." When people came to know of it, they gave Ophir the name Christophero. From Christophero, we get the English name Christopher. It means wearer of Christ. In time, Christopher came to be known as Saint Christopher.